canoeing here. It's really pretty. Wow. I know, right? Girl boy. Alright guys, so we're going to have mini breakfast. Laura prepared some chicken sandwich and we just brought water. Yes. We brought some snacks too. We brought seaweed, Nutella, and I think these are matcha wafers. Guys, look, they built like these stones over here. I've been watching Korean dramas and I've been seeing this one, so it's so cool. Let's try to put one stone. Let's see. A little stone maybe. This little stone, so I don't break anything. There you go. It's actually at the end already. See the view there. So guys, this is the food for dinner. We have samgyeopsal, shrimp, steak, chicken, samgyeopsal, and some side dish right here.
It does rain, Aira.
I don't know.